How to withdraw Robinhood balance. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to withdraw your Robinhood balance. So what you need is here, you just have to make sure to launch open your Robinhood app and just go ahead and select the accounts or the person icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. There, you just have to go ahead and tap onto the menu in the top left corner. And then you just want to make sure to go ahead and select transfer or withdrawal, or just go to transfer money. As you do that, you have to go ahead and enter the amount you wish to withdraw. And then you just want to make sure to choose your Robinhood account as the from source and your linked bank account as a to destination. Then you just want to make sure to go ahead and select a transfer speed, whether you want to go with standard ACH, which is free and might take a couple of days to complete the transaction, or instance, this applies fees, so you will be charged and then the transfer will be instantly. You could then just go ahead and review the details and tap on transfer to confirm, and this way you're supposed to withdraw money or withdraw a Robinhood balance. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.